Because that always happens.
Can you get up there? Can you skinny your butt up there?
Mm-hmm. And we won't be able to videotape that up there, will we? How much room is up there?
It depends. It'll be good to hear until we hit that wall.
Yeah. You can probably stick your head up and videotape
Okay.
what you're doing it.
Hey, did you know that you have a laser on that thing?
I do now.
Is your garage insulated?
Yes. Some.
Insulated and watched, but not, as you can tell, it's not.
No, but you can definitely tell the difference between this garage and the
Oh,
Paul
yeah.
Allen
Paul's
garage.
garage,
It was
absolutely.
freezing in that garage.
Freezing in there. And it's amazing, opening the garage door, how much it will cool off the garage.
I'm sure.
Well, it should stay pretty cool.
Now remember, you're going to try to get back toward, can you get back towards that bedroom?
Jim,
Yes.
there's a light, I think.
And then, hey, kind of figure out where you do it, because then the other thing we said is we got to do the inside ceiling.
Yeah, Randy and I just did the inside ceiling about 3 foot back,
Yeah?
and it was the same as the wall temperature, 75 degrees, which is good.
Well, now we recorded the wall temperature as 86 earlier.
We did?
Yeah.
Well, this is an Artistic Homes attic.
We did the wall.
I don't know if you want me up there tramping around.
We did this. Oh, 74. Yeah. I was looking at my Delta. 74. Sorry. So,
Yeah, so
so
see-
74 inside. Okay, which it should be.
Let me see. That laser thing's pretty cool.
By the way, folks,
25 degrees, but up in the attic right now we're at about, it's still saying 0 to -4, -5.
Okay, so the outside of the pipe is 25,
Is 20 degrees.
20 degrees. Okay.
Yeah. So it's just taking that earth temperature, but
So it's cooling though.
But what we're saying though, Randy and Tom, is that, you know, it's getting the chimney effect, which we want.
Right. Yeah. So the radon pipe is warmer than the attic temperature.
Right, which is good.
Drawing air up from under the slab. The radon pipe is warmer than the attic temperature,
Getting it?
so it means
I'm
that
trying.
the airflow going up through the radon pipe. The pipe is 20 degrees.
What we can see on the red there is that, you know, the sun's starting to hit the roof,
yeah.
even though the truss members are still cold from the night. You know, which is a good thing, showing that last night it got down to -10 in our attic at, what time is it? Noon? Approximately noon.
A
It's
little
still -4 degrees. So what that's saying,
4 degrees up there?
it's still -4 degrees up here from last night. What that's saying is good, because we're not losing any heat from our home.
Right.
You know, we're still -7, -6 up here, Randy. You know, and we're getting slight heat loss through our bathroom vent. That's okay. It's still,
It'll be 180.
you know, but we can see the heat pump line.
Between seasons. Yeah.
That's how
That's why you really don't want to store a bunch of
But,
stuff in your
you know, that what we're seeing here, Jim, let me get a little bit closer for you. What we're seeing here is our heat pump line, that we're actually producing energy from our heat pump, and it's 4 degrees outside. So that's how efficient our heat pump, it's a reverse of an air conditioner, that we're producing energy from our heat pump. Now, we have another hot spot down there. Let me pull the laser. Okay, that's a exhaust duct for our HRV. That's fine. That's something really hot right there. Oh, that's our radon pipe. So that's showing that we're pulling, you know, that's a good thing that that's warm. That's actually telling us that it's 20 degrees, and what it's doing is pulling radon out from our slab, or our sub temperature of our slab is 55 degrees. So we're showing that our radon pipe, passive pipe, is working as planned. But besides that, there's no distinct.
Yeah, it looks pretty darn tight.
Exactly. So that's our heat pump pipe, and that's our radon pipe. We see zero duct leakage, except for, and it's not duct leakage, it's our exhaust pipe for our HRV, exhausting stale air to the outside, is what that pipe is. Besides that, we see no leakage in our home,
really,
in our home at all. Now we see the sun starting to hit.
No, I know what you're talking about.
Whoa. Yeah, and that's our, this is our,
Yeah, this is step.
it's great. It's fabulous.
What are you getting?
Yeah, I'm coming down.
We're not getting,
Okay, so Tom, what's he going to read right now?
Well, what we want to do is try to determine, because what we have on all of our truss is a raised hill, which means we have greater spacing above the top plate for insulation. And so what we want to try to do is figure out, is that top plate, or having that raised hill and the added insulation above the top plate, is that helping us? Now, when we looked at the deltas on the outside to inside temperature of the top plate,
Right.
for an indication say yes. Now we want to see if there's any vertical rise of energy. That's probably good enough right there, Just if you
Yeah.
can shoot inside that cord.
trying to get past this duct though.
Yeah.
I got to tell you, for as cold as it was last night, and for as long as I've been standing in this attic, it's really not that cold.
No.
Whoa, that'll warm things up. Well, glad we got that on tape. Good out. Stick the infrared on that one, Just.
I can't,
Tom.
We got Tom down there yelling at us to shoot the ball in the round hoop. Hey, Justin's got some things to get out before he can shoot anything.
What?
He's got some things to get out before he can shoot anything.
Oh boy.
Yeah, he just completely screwed up our infrared monitor.
Did you ask me, and I showed you that truck's running this way with the girl out there in the front, right there.
Zero what?
the number on the picture that I took, but the thing is that you know it's still saying that it's negative in here,
Yeah.
which is a good thing.
Hey Tom, 048 is the picture you wanted.
What is it?
048,
Got it. What's the temperature?
still negative.
Still negative too.
-2.
Okay.
All right, do you want me down? Are we done?